Good morning, class 1 kids. Kids, in today's class, we will complete true false, fill in the blanks, tick the correct option, and some grammar work from lesson 1. First of all of you tell me what is the name of your lesson. Your lesson name is At School. So, kids, take out your Open Sky book, get ready with pencil and start to write. Your book exercise is state if the following sentences are true or false. A. The teacher writes with a chalk on the blackboard. The teacher writes with a chalk on the blackboard. This is true. B. We sit on a desk in the classroom. Desk is written here. We put our book or copies on the desk. Don't sit there. So, this statement is false. C. We should throw waste paper in the dustbin. Yes, this is very good habit. So, C answer is true. D. Globes are hung on the classroom walls. How we hang globes on the wall? We hang maps, sceneries on the wall, but globes not. So, this statement is also false. Now, next exercise. Complete the sentences with the words given as hints. All these are the sentences, fill in the blanks type of sentences, and hints are given. A. A computer is a dash. What is a computer? A computer is a machine. So, in dash place, all of you write the spelling of machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. B. The globe shows the dash. Here, all of you write world. W-O-R-L-D. World. C. The dash sits on a chair. According to hints, which word is correct here? The teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher sits on a chair. D. We use different things to do different what? Activities. We use different things to do different activities. What is the spelling of activities? A-C-T-I-V-I-T-I-E-S. Activities. Now, next exercise. Put a tick on the correct option to complete each sentences. A. The teacher uses it to rub the blackboard. Options are chalk, pencil, duster, eraser. The teacher uses it. The teacher uses duster to rub the blackboard. So third option is right, duster. B. Students sit on it in the classroom. Options are chair, desk, bench, table. Again third option is right. Chair is incorrect, desk is also incorrect, table is also incorrect. So bench is correct. Students sit on it in the classroom. On bench. Third option is right. C. We see it on the wall of our classroom. Options are globe, map, book, paintings. On the wall of our classroom. Globe, not possible. Map, yes, it is possible. Book, no. Painting, but according to our chapter here, your correct answer is option second, map. D. We use a pencil too. What is the work of a pencil? Read? No. Learn? No. Talk? No. Write? Yes. The use of a pencil is to write. Fourth option is right. Students after that complete singular and plural work that is given in page number 13. See the picture that is given on page number 13. We say according to picture one dog. Here is the picture of one dog. Below it two dogs. The first picture one dog means a single dog. In next picture two dogs means more than one. More than one means what? Plural. Look at the picture and read as explained above. One tiger, one flag, 4 mangoes and 3 bottles. Here is exercise. Write down how many things you see in each picture. A. I see 2 chalks. B. I see 1 pencil. C. I see 3 lions. D. I see 5 bananas. A exercise given in page number 14. Match the picture with the words. This is very easy to all of you kids. So do it in your book with pencil. Picture of chair match with spelling chair. Pens match with picture of pens. Cats match with picture of cats. Apples picture of apples. Crows match with picture of crows. Egg match with one egg picture. Okay. Now next, listen to your teacher as she reads the following words. The words are related to each other. Practice speaking after your teacher. PEN pen and PAPER paper. BREAD bread and BUTTER butter. MILK milk and HONEY honey. JAM jam and JELLY jelly. RICE rice and CURRY curry. Now your next exercise is, now listen to your teacher and pick out the correct rhyming words to fill in the blanks. The cat dash on a mat. The cat sat on a mat. SAT sat. Mother will dash a cake. Mother will bake a cake. BAKE bake a cake. I like to float in a dash. I like to float in a boat. BOAT boat. The fox was sitting on the dash. The fox was sitting on the box. BOX box. E. The car cannot go dash. The car cannot go far. FAR far. The teacher needs to speak the words in each bracket correctly and loudly. Here is a exercise for you students. Try to read yourself. Now on page number 16 there is an exercise. Write one word in each blank and complete the sentences. One is done for you. A. The dash lost her dash. Options are girl and toy. What is the complete sentence? The girl lost her toy. This hint is given. Now B. The dash is in the dash. Who and where? Options are lion and den. The lion is in the den. The lion is in the den. C. My dash gave me a dash. Who or what? My mother gave me a toffee. D. The it's the dash it's a dash. Who and what? The monkey it's a banana. E. The old dash walks with a dash. The old man walks with a stick. F. The dash is playing with his dash. Who and what? The dash. The boy is playing with his ball. Now, last exercise. Pick out the correct words from the hints to complete the cow's story. Here is a cow's story. I am a cow, cow, cow. I live in a shed. I love to eat what? Grass, grass, grass. I give you what? Milk, milk, milk. Buffaloes dash and sheep are my dash. Buffaloes, goats and sheep are my friends. friends, friends. The dash that you dash is made from my milk. The butter, butter, the butter that you eat is made from my milk, means cow's milk. Okay, students, all of you complete all these book exercise in your book with good handwriting and learn it also. Have a great day for you.